If you're looking to improve email deliverability with Mailchimp, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you through practical steps to ensure your emails land in inboxes and not in spam folders. Stick around till the end for a special offer to get a longer free trial with Mailchimp. First, let's talk about list hygiene. One of the most critical steps in improving email deliverability is ensuring that your list is clean. Regularly removing inactive subscribers, hard bounces, and invalid email addresses is crucial. This helps you avoid being flagged as a spammer by email providers. Mailchimp has built-in tools to manage bounces, unsubscribes, and complaints, making it easier for you to keep your list up to date. Next thing, focus on authentication. Email authentication is a must to improve deliverability with Mailchimp. Setting up SPF, Sender Policy Framework, and DKM, Domain Keys Identified Mail, will help verify that your emails are coming from a trusted source. This is a simple process in Mailchimp, and once done, it ensures that your emails are less likely to be marked as spam by major email providers like Gmail or Outlook. The third thing you want to consider is segmenting your audience. By grouping your subscribers into segments based on their interest, purchase behavior, or engagement level, you'll send more relevant emails. This will increase your open rates and reduce unsubscribes, which, in turn, will improve your sender reputation and deliverability. Now, let's dive into content. Keep your emails relevant, valuable, and personal. Avoid spammy language and excessive use of links or images. Using too many images or overly promotional content can trigger spam filters. Always make sure your email is easy to read, mobile-friendly, and personalized. Also, don't forget to include a clear and easy way to unsubscribe. The fifth thing is timing. Sending emails at the right time can make a huge difference in deliverability. Mailchimp's analytics will help you understand when your audience is most engaged. Consistently sending emails at peak times will improve open rates and reduce the chances of your email being flagged as spam. And here's a bonus tip: monitor your email performance closely. If you notice a drop in your open rates or a rise in spam complaints, it's time to reassess your approach. Mailchimp's reporting tools give you insights into bounce rates, open rates, and other key metrics that can help you tweak your strategy and improve your deliverability. To wrap it up, improving email deliverability with Mailchimp involves a few straightforward steps: keeping your list clean, authenticating your emails, segmenting your audience, crafting quality content, sending at the right time, and closely monitoring performance. Remember, these actions will increase your chances of staying out of the spam folder and reaching your audience effectively. Also, before you go, if you're ready to take your Mailchimp experience to the next level, check out the first link below. You can get access to Mailchimp completely free, along with an exclusive bonus that extends your free trial. Don't miss out!